Hi, it's me, Angharad from Angharads Life, and in today's video we'll be trying some of the Tyne Cheases from the Tyne Chease selection box. I really can't wait, can you, ma'am?
I'm really looking forward to it.
Thank you so much to Tyne Chease for sending us this amazing box. Can't wait, can you, ma'am?
I'm really looking forward to
it. Our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight.
I still can't believe that I am a Tyne Chease brand ambassador.
Are you wearing the hat?
Definitely.
It looks good on you. It was so lovely to see your face when we just had the delivery, and it was a big surprise.
It was.
And it's lovely that on the box on the outside, all the stickers coincide with what the flavours are.
Oh my gosh, it smells amazing, doesn't it?
Such an amazing smell.
Ooh, what that one?
That one is the pickled onion.
Oh,
that was amazing.
It really was. If you haven't seen the video from when we tried the pickled onion cheese, we'll link it up there.
That one's the provincial.
Ooh.
That sounds good.
What next? That one?
That one is the smoked.
Ooh. Do you want to pick one out, ma'am?
Ooh, I'll go for that one, which is the original.
Ooh. That one?
That's the garlic.
Oh. We love a garlic cheese.
We do.
That one?
That one is the Ethiopian spice.
Ooh.
I
wonder if that'll be as spicy as a scorpion.
Oh, that was so spicy.
It really was. That one?
Is the chives.
Ooh. What else? You get 9 cheeses.
It's amazing, isn't it? And what's really good about the cheeses is that there's a best before date for you to have them fresh, or you can freeze them and they can be frozen for up to 3 months.
That's incredible, isn't it?
That one's the apple smoked.
Ooh. What's that one?
Ooh, that one's the truffle.
That one?
And that one is the pink peppercorn.
Ooh, I can't wait to try one, mum. Can you?
You just have to decide which one to try first.
Definitely.
Which one do you want to try first?
Ooh, shall we go for that one?
Ooh, the original.
Perfect.
I think that's really good. And just pick another one.
Why don't you pick one, ma'am?
Okay. I think we'll go for that one. Oh, pickled onion.
Perfect. Here is the original cheese. Mmm.
Oh, it's lovely. It's so nice and smooth, isn't it?
It is. And such a wonderful taste as well, isn't there?
There is. That is really lovely.
It's lovely and creamy too. Here's the pickled onion cheese. I love the smell of this so much. It's such a wonderful smell of pickled onions, isn't there?
There is. Oh, yes. You can really taste the pickled onion.
It's absolutely incredible. I love the flavour so much. So delicious. It has been so lovely being in contact with Victoria, who is the new owner of Tyne Chease, with her husband Danny being involved too. And it's been so lovely hearing about how they took over in May last year.
It was also so lovely to hear all about the rebranding, wasn't it?
It really was.
And all the positive feedback that they've received from their rebranding.
Definitely. And also with them moving to a bigger premises at the beginning of the year.
That's it. It was so lovely to hear all about how they've moved to the bigger premises.
It really has been amazing.
And it's going to be really good keeping in contact with them with all their future plans, isn't it?
Of course. And being a brand ambassador too. Today we thought we'd try the Ethiopian spiced. Oh, it smells so good, doesn't it, Mum?
It really does.
It smells lovely and spicy, doesn't it?
It does. Wow, that's really good. Not as hot as the scorpion.
No, but wow. What an amazing flavour. There's so many wonderful flavours and the heat too. It's absolutely incredible.
And I thought we'd try the smoked as well.
Ooh. That smells lovely, doesn't
It
it?
does. Oh, that's a lovely smoked cheese.
It really is. Oh, the flavours are amazing. It's not too smoky either. No. It's so lovely. Yeah, I think what we thought we would try today.
Pink peppercorn, apple, smoked and truffle.
Oh, they sound amazing, don't they?
They really That's do. The pink peppercorn.
It smells amazing.
That's really good.
It really is. I love the wonderful flavour from the pink peppercorn so much.
It really comes through nicely.
It does. And it's not too peppery either. It's really, really lovely. And it goes so well with the wonderful Tyne cheese too.
That's the truffle one.
Oh, it smells so good.
Nice subtle taste. Oh, it's lovely.
It really is absolutely incredible. I love them so much. And here's the apple smoked.
That's a lovely smoked taste.
It is. It's so lovely and smoky, but not too smoky. And you have a just slight hint of apple too. It's incredible.
They are so amazing.
They really are.
I'm just going to open the not parmesan to add to the arrabbiata sauce. Do you want to have some first?
Yes, please. That's absolutely incredible. The flavours are so delicious. And it's not too salty either. It's absolutely wonderful. Really can't wait to try the last 3 cheeses today. The Provençal,
the garlic,
and the chives. Here's the Provençal first. Oh, it smells amazing.
It really does. They all smell so good. Wow.
The herbs. It's absolutely incredible, isn't it?
It really is so good.
Should we go for garlic next? Here's the garlic.
Oh, that's so smooth and such a lovely garlic flavour.
It really, really is. It's absolutely wonderful. It's not too strong a taste of garlic either.
No, it's just right. It's lovely. Last one.
Smells amazing.
Such a lovely smell. Lovely smell of chives. Oh, wow.
It's so lovely. It's not too strong either. It's amazing.
Such a lovely taste of the chives coming through.
Definitely a wonderful taste of chives and so delicious, lovely and smooth too. And thank you so much to Lindsay for getting us one of these amazing selection boxes too. All those cheeses were absolutely incredible. We really hope you all enjoyed seeing us try them too. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. this time in the comments. We'd love so much to know if you have tried any of these Tyne Cheases.
I think that's a great question.
If you have, did you enjoy them? If you haven't, which ones would you like to try? We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care!